dog is chewing my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to plastic weld a water butt. Right now, this is the issue here. As you can see, has a nasty crack, and people with a lot of cash. No, we're working, yeah. Throw it away, but I have very little cash, therefore I need to robotic and fix things. Right now, I've got a soda iron here, which someone else chucked away too. So a lot of chucking away, and all you really need to do now, carefully, yeah, just pull it through here. Right, pull it through here nicely. You have to be careful not to do too much, because otherwise you're gonna punch a hole in it. That's something you don't want. Right, and since we talking here about quite a few gallons of water, 100 odd liters, maybe this is not quite enough, because normally I would need to have material from the same type of plastic, and then I could weld, which I don't have, and I want to just chop a little bit out of it. However, now from the inside we're gonna clean it. We're gonna clean it with a wet towel, right here. It's difficult for you to see, but you don't really need to see. You can trust me on that one. Yeah, let's clean it a little bit. Obviously I told my girlfriend half wet, she made it full wet, and generally if it's full wet I don't mind, but with this I do, because I need something. Jesus, shouldn't you just follow my head? But she's smart, because she took a complete white one as well, because she knew I'm gonna complain. Right, and now I'm gonna dry it off. As you can see, the hole is fixed. Yeah, but now this is the magic. You take a little bit of silicone or silicone or whatever you have available here, but you have to take the one which is an adhesive. Yeah, it's not just a normal silicone, but this is like dog's bollocks, you know, it sticks like shit basically. Same company. And now you go there, unfortunately it dried in. Hoppala. Just give me a second. Yeah, it's dried in. That's a really good quality product, right? Just have to fish this out. But the problem is it's going in. I want to have it out. Not ideal because it went inside, but it's good enough. Oh, it just pushed it out, yeah, and that's it. And now take a little bit of this. It's not regular silicone. It's rubbery silicone, but it's really strong. And now you go here, put a little bit over it, right? Just like this. Just nice and gently, just the way you would touch a different type of gap which is slightly wet. Just pull your fingers through, yeah. If it's not wet enough, you put a little bit of lubrication on, always helps. A bit more, yeah. And now you do the exact same thing from the inside as well, which I'm not going to show because it's very dark in here, so I'm not going to see anything. So that's how you made 60 pounds in 1 minute, picking up from the street. Someone dumped it, bought a new one, and I'm going to reuse it, and my son's son is possibly going to use it as well, because this is forever. But of course you have to look after it. Yes, of course. Oh no, course. You wanna be in it. You wanna be in it. You wanna be in it. You wanna be riding. Right. That's one of my tunes. Check out in the description. You're gonna love it. I put that in the description. I'm a musician as well, as you see. Pretty much for everything. Don't forget to tune into my channel and like, share, comment. Hit that notification bell and